Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review TurboTax. Tax season is here. If you are thinking about using TurboTax to file your taxes, you are in the right place. Because in this video, we'll break down its pros, cons, and pricing so you can decide if it is the best choice for you or not. So let's dive in. What is TurboTax? TurboTax is one of the most popular filing software options. It's known for its easy-to-use interface, guided filing process, and accuracy checks. Whether you are filing a simple tax return or handling investments and deductions, TurboTax offers different plans to match your needs. Pros of TurboTax. So what makes TurboTax a top choice? Here are the biggest pros. Number one, user-friendly interface. TurboTax walks you through the process step by step, making it great for beginners. Live expert help. If you get stuck, you can connect with a tax expert for guidance. Max refund guarantee. TurboTax ensures you get every deduction and credit possible. Mobile friendly. You can even file your taxes on your phone. Automatic importing. It pulls info from past returns and save you time. Cons of TurboTax. But TurboTax isn't perfect. Here are a few downsides to keep in mind. Number one, pricing can be expensive. The free version only covers very simple tax situations. If you have deductions, investments, or self-employed income, you'll need a paid plan. Number two, upsells. TurboTax frequently pushes upgrades and add-ons, which can get annoying. Number three, no direct phone support for basic plans. Unless you pay for TurboTax Live, customer support is mostly chat-based. Pricing. Now let's talk about pricing. TurboTax offers four main tiers. The first one is the free edition, which is best for simple W-2 filers, but limited deductions. Deluxe at $69 adds deductions and credits for homeowners, student loans, and medical expenses. Premier, $99 and more, ideal for investors and people with rental properties. Self-employed tier at $129 or more, designed for freelancers, business owners, and gig workers. Remember, state filing usually costs extra, and if you want expert help, TurboTax Live and full service plans cost even more. Final verdict. So is TurboTax worth it? Yes, if you want an easy guided tax filing experience and don't mind paying extra for premium features. And no, if you are looking for a free or budget-friendly option, there are cheaper alternatives like Cash App Taxes or Free Tax USA. And that's all for this review. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.